We've all been there, where life put us together, with someone we love. With someone we share our best moments, our worries, and our joy. Life can join us together. And life can also separate us. Even if we grew and live in this world, only our beautiful memories remain. Even if we try our best to live again our best memories, sometimes we fail. But sometimes, when all doors close, another one opens. And hope will not let us alone. Our will makes us rise again. And faith is the best engine. Yesterday is not ours to recover. But today is ours to win or lose.